Ben Dickenson. I'm engineering manager here at Alliance Manufacturing. This is episode 2 of our large part washer series. Now that our modules are all in position, it's time to get all the external plumbing in place. The plumbing is the lifeline of the machine. Things we do on our machines quite frequently is we have pump forward filling. Now what pump forward filling is, it's bringing solution from the next stage a part will see into the previous stage. So this is from rinse to wash. It helps recover some of the chemistry that gets carried over on the parts and conveyor belt. It also helps maintain the heat of your key processes. All of these lines are connected to our primary feeds. These are multi-pass welded trunks. The reason we have multi-pass welded trunks on this particular machine is that the amount of solution being delivered to each spray header is extremely large. By welding these units together, it gives us much higher confidence in future leak proofing. So these large pumps and large pipe trunks that are all affixed to the machine, they are bolted up with flange connections. The reason we have additional flange connections instead of welding all of these components solid is everything fails eventually, and you're going to need to be able to maintain these pumps. So what we've done here is we've actually created splits in the piping in areas that are easy to remove, and we've mounted these pumps on removable skid plates. That actually does two things for us. We can break down this entire assembly for shipment and fit it on a truck much more easily, but in the end user's facility, it also allows you to quickly remove one of these pumps from the system and drop in a new replacement if needed. The ease of access is great because it allows you to pull this out, get it somewhere you can actually work on it to a workbench with the proper tools, and you could rebuild one of these units. This vertical pump actually has an integrated VFD in it. So it allows us to ramp up and down the speed of this pump to better match your target process parameters. It allows the machine to operate much more efficiently than if it was using simple throttling valves and fixed speed pumps. It also lets us do some cool things where we're actually flushing out the manifolds between maintenance intervals by utilizing the VFDs and some new dump valves we've created.